Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you combine the values in different cells and put them together into one cell. So because now my genes, I have a data set and I have number of genes and all these genes are in different cells, but I just want to make a nice table where all these values are together in one cell like that, like this. So then I can just paste this table somewhere, like in a document. So one way is what I can do is to do it manually. So I have group one. So if I want to do it manually, it will take a lot of time. Like for example, copy and paste, and then I want this gene as well, copy, and then I need to separate one gene from other gene with the help of comma, so I will paste it, and then I need to type another gene, and then finally the last gene. So this is one way to combine values from different cells into one cells, but uh, in case you have a lot of values, for example, in 10 cells or more than 10 cells, it will take a lot of time. So let's make things easier. So what we can do, so we have group 1. So one way is to use a function which is called concat. Select this function and then drag through all the cells you want to combine and then press enter. Yeah, okay, so all the values are now combined in one cell, but now the problem is you can't differentiate between different genes because everything is together. So we need comma between two genes. So then we can easily see different genes. So we can do, you have group 1. So what I will do, I will use another function which is text join, this one. I will select this option and then I will tell the function that I want to separate my values by comma, okay, and then I want to select the true option. So basically I'm telling the function to ignore empty cells, so I will just select this option and then I will drag through all the cells I want to combine and then I will press enter. Yeah, there we go. So all your cells are now combined in a single cell and then they are separated by comma. So yeah, so this is good way. So now I can easily make this a nice table and I can paste this table anywhere, whether I want to paste it in a document, in my thesis as well. So yeah, so now we have all the values in one cell, but now what, how can we separate it from each other and how to put gene in cell again? So it's easy. So you will select the cell where you have value by comma and we'll go to data and text to columns. So now they are asking that how can you separate your values and put them in different cells. So one option is fixed weight. So fixed weight, so if you have values in more than one row, so this is a good option for that. But and now I have values in only one row, so I will select delimited. So so now you have different options. They are asking you that on what basis you are separating your values. So you can just select semicolon, comma, space, and other if you have some other signs um, between your values. So now I can clearly see that my values are separated by comma. So I will select comma. So the Excel recognized the comma and Hopefully now my values are separated from each other and my values will be in different cells now. I will press next and then I will press finish. Okay, yeah. So my values are in different cells now. So yeah, so this is the way you can put your values back into different cells. So I hope that was easy for you, and I'll see you in next video.